All right, so small drywall contractors, oftentimes they'll get their material from Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever local building supply house they have. I tend to pay a little bit extra, have it delivered. The reason I like to do that is because the board only really gets handled by a couple of guys. You can see with the crane, they're able to fork it off, fork it in, put it right on the cart, and it just doesn't get all banged up by going in the back of a trailer, back of a truck. It just, we get a lot cleaner board this way. It does cost a little bit more money, but they'll have 180 sheets of sheetrock put into this house, and they position it throughout the house for us. They'll have it in here in 30, 40 minutes, where it would have taken me, half a day with a couple guys to have moved that much board here. So yeah, there's a couple reasons why drywall contractors are using the supply houses. It's a little bit more money, but they have the right equipment, protects your board, and doesn't wear out your guys as quickly. All right, so on that one, we just got that one stocked, hung, taped, textured, it's all primed. We turned it over to the painters and the finish carpenters. Now what I'd like to do is look at the invoice that supplier gave me and cross-reference it back onto how much money I had set aside in my bid for material. I know a lot of you guys in my last bid, the 3 must-haves for drywall estimating, I can't remember the title of it, but you guys, some of you guys really beat me up a little bit on how much money I set aside for the material. So let's go ahead and take a look at this project and see how I did compared to what you guys are at in some of your guys' area. So, all right, hold on. Let me turn this around. We'll look at the notes. Again, I didn't put all this together for you guys. I put it together for me so I could stock the house. This is where we came to a total of 7,956 board feet of drywall. Here's my my extras. So we've got 9-foot bead, some Hamilton light taping, Hamilton light all-purpose, 1 box of tape, 1 box of screws, or 2 boxes of screws, 2 bags of 40 on some Hamilton hot mud. That all comes out to, with all of this, the board and all the material delivery was $4,270.80. There we go. That's how much Canez, out of Portland area, I think this store comes out of Eugene, that's how much Canez charges for delivery and everything for this whole job. So now how do I know that's 55 cents roughly? So what I do is I come over here and I type in my square footage. So 79.56, sorry, I'm looking over my phone. And I want to times that by 55 cents. And that comes up to $4,373 or $75.80. So I budgeted 55 cents. 55 cents, so the square footage times 55 equals 4375.80. And then Canez charged 4279800. So I am technically about $104 under budget for what the drywall cost me to do. So that kind of gives you an idea of how I update my pricing, make sure that I'm right on. I just added 5 cents to it a couple months ago because all the material is getting up there a little bit. Again, Canez is my supplier. There was how much they charged me to deliver all that material. So that gives you an idea of how I double check and confirm my prices are still accurate with that. And then obviously labor costs, what labor costs. My hangers and my tapers are roughly about 30 cents a piece. And then my in-house labor for scrapping, masking, texturing, that kind of stuff. So keep an eye on your numbers. Hey guys, if you like this, make sure you like and subscribe, please. And any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm still keeping up with everybody's comments and replying into questions. I enjoy doing that. So make sure you put something down there. All right, so just kind of give you guys an update on always check your numbers. Not every job's a winner, and sometimes you'll get done with the job and realize you lost your butt if you're not checking your numbers very well. All right, have a good one.